The contents of the box includes the user guide, the remote control 2, the power adapter for the plug and the 3-pin plug adapter, the lanyard. Underneath the packaging insert, a mini USB cable and a cloth carry case. To build the plug, connect the 3-pin adapter to the main body of the plug by removing the plastic cover. To do this, press the button to release the cover. Then slide the 3-pin adapter into the main body of the plug. To connect the plug to the remote control 2, you will need the mini USB cable. The larger end of the cable will fit into the top of the main body of the plug. The smaller end will connect to your remote control 2. A cloth carry case has been provided for your convenience. Should you wish to use the wrist strap, you can attach it to the remote control through the small gap on the bottom of the remote control.